Good day everyone. Let's try to solve some linear equations, okay? Let's try to solve for x. Given that we have 3 times the quantity of 5 minus x is equal to 4 times the quantity of 2 minus x. Ang ato lang buhatan nani is to this part here, i-distribute din nato si 3. So 3 times 5, 15. Then 3 times negative x, we have negative 3x. Dayon sa pikas na pod na side, kini si 4, i-distribute na pod daari. So 4 times 2 is 8. And then 4 times negative x, we have negative 4x. And then, pag umana ni, we will use additive inverse, pero para mas dali na lang ta, let's just transpose. Ang green side are the x variables. So negative 3x. Ang kaning portion di ari si negative 4x, mahimo siyang positive 4x. Then 8. And then si positive 15 will be negative 15. Karon, we have negative 3x plus 4x. So since dili man sila parehas og sign, mag-subtract ta or mag-minus. So, negative 3x plus 4x, we will have 1 or the x is equal to 8 minus 15. 8 minus 15, we have negative 7. So, our x now is x is equal to negative 7. To check if our answer is correct, we will substitute negative 7 from the original equation. So, checking, we have 3 times the quantity of 5 minus negative 7, and then equals to 4 times 2 minus negative 7. So 3 times 5 minus negative 7, it will now be positive. So 5 plus 7, we have 12. And the next here, 4 times 2 plus 7, since negative times negative is positive. So 2 plus 7, we have 9. So 12 times 3, it is 36. And then this one, 9 times 4 is 36. Therefore, our answer x equals negative 7 is correct. So that's the answer. And that's it. Guys, if gusto pa mo maglanta og mga math tutorial videos, and paningkamutan gid nako nga mag use og language namo or dialect sa Bisaya kay para